In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide formula in Google Sheets. If you've built a spreadsheet full of complex formulas and you want to share the results without exposing the logic, there isn't a true way to lock the formula bar in Google Sheets. But there is a reliable way to protect your work so others can't click in and peek at the math. Think of this as putting a clear "Do Not Edit" shield over your key cells, so collaborators see the outputs, not the machinery behind them. Start by highlighting the cells that contain your formulas. You can drag to select a range, or hold Shift as you click to include non-adjacent cells if your formulas are spread out. With those cells selected, go to the top menu, click Data, and choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you tell Google Sheets, hands off these cells unless I say otherwise. In that panel, confirm the range is correct, then click Set Permissions. Choose only you. This setting matters. Even if you share the file with others, they'll be able to view the results of your formulas, but they won't be able to double-click into those protected cells to get into edit mode or easily copy your logic. It's a practical deterrent that keeps your formulas safe from casual snooping and accidental edits. Remember, this doesn't truly lock the formula bar for people who already have high-level access, but it makes your formulas much harder to access and a lot safer in everyday collaboration. Here's a simple pro tip to make things look even cleaner. If you want the formula bar to look completely empty at a glance when someone clicks a protected cell, change the cell's text color to white. Select the cell or range, click the text color icon on the toolbar, and choose white. Viewers will still see the final answer displayed in the sheet as intended, but when they click on those cells, the formula area won't draw attention. It's not a security feature, just a visual trick that discourages curiosity and keeps the focus on your results. That's it. By protecting your formula cells and using a quick formatting touch, you've made it much harder for others to poke around in your calculations while still sharing the insights your sheet provides. Keep your secrets safe. Follow for more Google Sheets hacks.